My bumblebees, and welcome back to my channel. It's maintenance week. Boo, 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 boo. The week we all been waiting for. Cause hey, how am I looking? Hey, yo. But anyways, we are gonna get everything fixed. Everything is gonna be restored and back in order because but so yeah, before you get into the video itself, thank you guys for subscribing, thank you for showing love, and thank you for the support. It does not go unnoticed. Guys, lady star. And if you're new here and you like what you see, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Let's get into this maintaining thingy. Okay, we are done getting ready. Yeah, and this is the fit for today. My black oversized t-shirt, long tights, and my Air Force. Yeah, we are going to get all the things I will be using for my maintenance. Yeah, and as for my hair, guys, will judge my hair after. It's not looking very cute, but hey, there's nothing I can do. This is what I could come up with. So yeah, let's go get those things. Yeah, and try to fix this mess that I am right now. But no, I'm not that much of a mess. I look cute. I look adorable. Anyways, let's go. We're already late. Okay, so we are in a taxi. We are approaching New Market. That is where I am heading to get my maintenance things. Yeah, we're gonna get, a few nyana things to look all cute and pashosh. Yeah, is pashosh even a word? But yeah, you get the whole thing, Emos. Yeah, we have arrived. Singenil Panda store. Our drugstore bafit. That's them. Walk in to grab a few things quick check out. You see, I didn't get much. I didn't get a lot of things, but we're on a budget. So yeah, quick nyana things. You see my lashes are there. Yeah, my lashes. And tweezers and razors. Snack time, go checkers. I was craving fried fish, so yeah, I went and got myself baby hake with chips. Yeah, something yana quick bite, light, real quick. So yeah, checkers was like the closest thing for me before I fainted. So yeah, Hayada abuti ang sevam Hayako exo nails. Sana, look at what they did. How they ate. They ate and left no crumbs.
So,
it's giving,
how do you feel?
It's giving rich aunt.
Yes.
It's giving Nginemali.
Yes, yeah.
Guys, your happiness is so contagious.
Happy client, guys. Nabona, happy client. All the way. Show them your nails.
I see. The shift. It's the shift for me. I mean, like. Okay guys, so we are now done for today. Nails are done, nails are set, we are looking cute. So tomorrow we'll be doing my lashes, eyebrows, and hair. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so yeah, yesterday I did go out and get a couple of things for my maintenance, and yeah, nails are done and I am obsessed. This jelly cat eye look, Bafetsu, it's the shift for me. Like, look at the shift. I'm obsessed. Sana XO nails and beauty ate these nails and left no crumbs. Like, but home. And I've came to realize, like, maturing is me actually being okay with just getting plain red nails without doing anything, adding charms. Like, for me, I need to add charms for me to be satisfied. Kamanana aga, but these ones, chef's kiss. So yeah, I also got a couple of things there. So yeah, I got lashes. Yeah, so I got 2 packs of lashes. the size 10 mm and the 8 mm, and then I got this 16 contour highlighter and blush palette. Yeah, I also will be using this, but for my makeup another day, not today. I'm not doing my makeup today. And then I also got this palette. It's a nude palette. Yeah, I'm still practicing how to, you know, do those cut creases and whatnot. So a nude palette is a safer way to go. Yeah, the safer option for me. And then I also got banana powder, tweezers for the lash application, lash glue. I actually got 2 of these. Oh, where's the other one? Yeah, lash glues and tweezers. And I also got, I actually wanted a triangular puff, but I couldn't find one, so I got a blender and this circle-ish puff. Yeah, I also got those. And I've got myself a new cable for my phone. The old one was acting up, so yeah, I already used it, so this box is empty actually. And then I got myself razor blades. They were inside this package, but then since I opened one to try it on my mom, this is how the blades look like. Yeah, I will be using them too for my eyebrows. Yes, these are how the blades look like. And I also got, what's this? Yeah, a jelly blush thingamabob. Yeah, that's that. I got this. And I think this is a more of a purple reddish shade. Yeah, but sana, we are going to try it out. I always wanted to try this jelly thingy blush, and since I got its dupe, hope it works. And then we got lip oils and liquid liner. I'm so brave. I've never, you know, used liquid liner before, so yeah, I hope I know what I'm doing. I hope I know what I'm doing. So yeah, so that is all I got. And so today we will be refreshing my braids. I have new growth, but it's growth I can get away with without me having to take down my braids, because sana, I'm not doing that. I'm so lazy for that. We are just refreshing my braids, and you guys can come at me all you want, mara I'm just doing touch-ups, you know, fixing the hairline, making it look clean. Yeah, making it look clean. That's that. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, first things first. I guess sana, I'm thirsty. Yo, hey bro, how do you open this thing with nails?
Hi.
Where's my hair comb? Yo, because what is this? Yeah, much better. Because I can rub my nails, yo. But I spent a fortune now. Why is it doing this, manji? Much better. Now we're talking. Oh, hits the spot all the time. Okay, let's do my hair. So not so long ago I did sort of like try to detangle my curls and whatnot, so they're not that tangly, but they do look a bit matte. So I'm just gonna use my soft and free hairspray to just bring them back to life a bit. But before I do that, we are gonna sort of like cleanse my scalp with my Dark and Lovely waterless cleanser. So okay, with this now, it doesn't, okay, it does work, but now you have to apply countless times, and I don't have time for that. You know what I mean? Like for your scalp to be like super clean, you have to go in like 3-4 times. Like Bona, I got this like not so long ago, and we're already almost halfway through the bottle. Yeah, that's how much you need. But yeah, it does get the job done, but thing is you have to reapply constantly. Yeah, so yeah. Sis, let's just go ahead and do it, because I just said I'm not gonna take down my braids, so I guess this will have to do the cleaning up. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that and my edge control. Yako Kanchu. Guys, make me understand. This gel, it says that it gives you extra hold, right? And it stays put, meaning extra hold. This thing is not supposed to move, right? My edges are not supposed to move, right? Mara sana. Like the minute I apply this and go out, it just melts away. So on my head, I'm like, is it my hair or the product? It doesn't work, because this thing melted. I had to put it in the freezer for it to go back to its waxy state, and it's not even fully frozen, and it's already defrosting. Excuse me. Hi. But maybe it's my hair, I'm not sure. Yeah, and then I'll also be using my baby wipes to sort of like clean the residue and whatnot, because it does leave some residue in your hair, and so you need to like sort of like wipe it type of thing. Yeah, so I'm using my baby wipes, and I'll also be using this glycol oil for applying on my eyebrows, so that the razor moves smoothly without it threatening to cut off my skin. Yeah, I really don't trust myself with this process, so I better know what I'm doing, because hey Bosana, if I don't, my eyebrows panting is over eyebrowless. Already I am eyebrowless. But so yeah, let's get to that. Not me forgetting to buy mousse. Lapo, there's literally nothing in here. Like, Agna Nix. It will be by God's grace if something comes out, because there's nothing in here. Like, the bottle is highball. There's only just, I'm sure, 10 milliliters in here. But scary. So yeah, I'm gonna just try and section my hair into 2 halves, like so, and separate it. Okay, and then yeah, this half and this half, and then I'm just gonna go ahead with the cleanser. Yeah, and sort of like try and massage it into the scalp, so that all that dirt and odor and whatever that is in my hair, that build-up product, is lifted. Okay, now to apply to the rest of the head. Okay, first thing is first, I'm just gonna pick up my braids like so that I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just gonna squeeze it in whatever direction, because I'm just gonna massage it in when I'm done. So in whatever direction that works for me at this point, that's what I am doing. Okay, same thing this side. Oh, sure. Okay, then now the hairline, because now this is where I have more dandruff showing up on my skin. So yeah, that's that. Then to massage it in, gonna start with the back, obviously, because yeah, we're gonna sort of like massage it in. Okay. Hey, bo, Sarah, why this thing is threatening? Kana ka di hlolaka. Hey, bo. Okay, yeah, much better. Hey, bo, look at my hands. Hey, bo, half of my face is covered in this thing. Okay, just massage. Okay, so I'm supposed to let that sit for like a minute or two. So that is what we are going to do. A minute or two, and then before this thing gets into my eye. Yeah, much better. Yeah, much better. Okay, I go this thing. What is it doing? It's trying to blind me. Send it blind, Kesana. Okay, I can see people. No, spoke too soon. I can't see. Ah! I can't see people. Cut. Okay, I can see now. I can see. Yeah. So since we are letting that sit for like a minute. Yeah, a minute. Is this even the middle part? No, it's not. But I guess let's fix it. Yeah. Hi, what is this hair doing now? You know what? The part that I opened made sense in my head, so we are gonna use that. Okay, so since we are still waiting for that water cleanser thing to work its magic, I'm just gonna take my soft and free black castor oil anti-dandruff moisturizing braid spray. I wonder this anti-dandruff thing is, I don't think they work. Now I need a dermatologist prescribed hair shampoo because guys, I have dandruff that, you know what, I can't even keep my hair for like a solid 4 weeks. But this time I tried thanks to the waterless cleanser, because I should have taken this like 3 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna sort of like spritz it on my hand and do that, yes, and rake it through my braids so that they do not become matte. Yeah. See, they come back to life just like that. They come back to life, and then I'm just gonna go through them just like so. No tangles in sight, so we're still good. The maintenance I did last week is still holding up. So yeah, the kills are still surviving, the kills are still breathing, which is great. So yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, as long as they are moving freely like so. Hi Sana, I am doing an amazing job. No DJ next door or DJ into corner shamamtanj. Oh, it feels like a Sunday. Now you doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no, something inside so strong. Okay, spoke too soon. What is this? Sana? Okay, no, it was just one. Yeah, it's just one knot. Yeah. Okay, this side detangled thoroughly. Do we need to boil? No, we're still good. We're still good. We don't need to boil yet. We're still good. And then this section feels like it has more hair. Maybe I didn't divide it equally, Marake. Okay. Okay, same thing I did on the other side. Okay, not too rough, not too rough, be gentle. Okay. Okay, this side is a bit more tangled up than the other side. I don't know why, but yeah, that's that. Okay. Yeah. Much better. Hey, Bosana, you'd swear Uguti this as new hair because, hey, Bo, it looks okay, not new hair, but you know, I can get away with it for like 2 weeks. Yeah, for 2 weeks, nothing more than that, because I mean that's the plan. Okay, so okay, lighting, what is it doing? Great. Okay, I believe a minute has passed. So yeah, let's go ahead and wipe off whatever that needs to be wiped off and clean my eyebrows before I do the lashes. Let me just clean the eyebrows first, but first let me get back into the scalp. Okay. Maybe one knot is threatening to come out, but it's not coming out. But it's at the back, so I'm not worried. So yeah, maybe Sana. Okay, take out a wipe, and then we are gonna go section by section. That's if I have the image. Yeah, so we are just gonna wipe here at the front first. Give it a good old clean wipe. Okay. I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, it's doing something. Okay, Haibo, is this my hair? Sana, so much dirt. Okay. Haibo, where is that wipe? Oh. Okay, the part that is the itchiest in my head is low section. Okay. That part done and dusted. Okay, Haibo, not bad, wait. Usually this thing is covered in so much dirt that it's scary. So this is not, it is dirty, but not that dirty. So yeah. Okay, now to sort of like wipe each strand here. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Oh, my butt, it hurts. I almost spilled up my juice. Okay. So yeah. This is how the hair is looking after the whole clean up. Now we are gonna sort of like clean my braids. So yeah. First, let's make sure that everyone is, fully wiped. Everyone is cooperating. Okay, so now I am gonna sort of like clean my edges, so that I am gonna do off camera so that it's a quick process, and then mousse my hair, mousse my head so that we can move on to my eyebrows. Okay, so yeah, I just put my head scarf on. So basically what I did to my braids is I took a section, like I only used the front part of my braids, took that, smeared gel on one block, and I twisted it so that the new growth can like be somehow twisted into that thingy. You get my point? Yeah, more like you're twisting in your new growth so that it looks neat, it looks like you just got your braids done type of situation. Then I applied a bit of gel on my edges, brushed them back, mousse on my edges to sort of like keep them laid down and keep the flyaways down. Then yeah, wrapped my head in the headscarf. Now we are trying to shave, more like shape my eyebrows. For this, I'm gonna need a small mirror, which is not like nearby, so actually let me get up and go look for a small mirror. But can't I just no, a small mirror? I need a small mirror because Haibo Sana, there's a chance I might shave my eyebrows off. No, actually there's a mirror behind me, I can use that. Thing is, when I face that way, lighting is bad. Let me show you guys what I mean. You see, it becomes darker when I do that, so you guys will have to watch from the back, and then I'll just come back and show you what I did. Yeah, makes sense that way. So yeah, okay, but first thing is first, multitasker. This is the edge control and the eyebrow brush, this one. So yeah, we just gonna brush the hairs up like ganjalo. Brush the hairs, and then excuse me, when a tissue oil come lamb, then I'm just gonna drizzle that oil come away, and yeah, that should be enough. Yeah, we'll just use this finger. Okay, don't spill my nail, don't spill. And then I'm just gonna like apply it on my brows. Is it even doing something? Am I doing something? I don't know, but okay. Yeah. Okay, eyebrows fully coated. Hey, but why am I gonna take the excess oil? I'll just shave my mustache. Carry on. I guess I'm shaving my mustache too, since I have excess oil that I can't put back in the bottle again. Yeah, I know I can't. Okay, let's wipe my hands. Now let's get up and go shave the brows. So yeah, should I bring you guys along with me? Hi man. Thing is now, when I do that, you guys saw that the lighting becomes off, so what I did. But yeah, I'll be using this blade to like shape my brows. In fact, I will make a video for how I do it when lighting is, because now lighting is not on my side. So yeah, I'm actually fighting this thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. Just a few cleanups because I did most of the tweezing off camera. I think I am happy with how they are looking. They look much better. And for a first timer, I've never done this before on myself. So yeah, for a first timer, I'm quite impressed. Not bad. I'm happy with how they look and turn out. Yes, they could use a bit of work, but for a first timer, this is cute. Yeah, so Nje, this is cute. So now I just need to do my lashes, and yeah. So yeah, let's do my lashes. I'm happy with how the brows turned out. So yeah, and then I was planning on shaving my face, but that's a story for another day because I have this open scar here, so I can't really shave my face today. We'll just have to wait for it to heal. So yeah, I just took off my head scarf, and this is how the hairline is looking, and the hair pretty clean. Like, I just bought myself another 2 weeks with this hair. So now look at that, so clean, you know. Okay, so yeah, we happy with what we are seeing. I'm happy, and the eyebrows are eyebrowing, so we are good with that. So yeah, hey Sana, my face, the breakouts I'm having, it's where I'm on my period, but I'm not. So yeah, this is how the hair looks. I haven't done my lashes yet. I'm so lazy, but we are gonna do the lashes. We are gonna eat those lashes up. Hi guys, so yeah, it's currently 8:45. I woke up like at 7, did whatever I needed to do, brush my teeth, wipe my face a bit, and yeah, today is the day I am going to attempt to do my own lashes. Mind you, I've never done this before, so this could either go really bad or really bad, because I've never done my lashes before, but here I am going to try and attempt it. So yeah, first thing is first, I know that I did, so I'm gonna wash my face, but I'm just gonna go ahead with my wipes and wipe my lashes just to make sure that it's nothing and they are properly cleaned. Do I even have a spoolie? I don't know, but I'm gonna look for one. I think I do. Yeah, so yeah, lashes wiped just to make sure they are clean. Let me check the wipe. Yeah, they are clean. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna try and create more of a natural look with my lashes, because I didn't buy like big sizes. I got the size 8mm and the size 10mm. Millimeter, man, not milliliter. How do I keep on saying milliliter? Hi, but yeah. So I've watched countless videos, ne? So in one of the videos, the girl said I must, you must like grab your eye like this and hold it in place with the tape. So that's what I'm going to do. But Kala, I'm gonna do this, okay, one eye off camera and see if yonke leshandi siyenzeka. And then when I get the hang of it, I'm coming back and finishing the rest of the thingy with you guys. So yeah.
after 2 hours, 2 dear hours of attempting to do my eyelashes, this is what I ended up with. No lashes, lashes covered with glue and tape on my face. Yeah, no, this is the end of maintenance week for me. Like, get up. I'm okay, I'm grand, I'm not doing this. It's okay. I'll not have lashes. It's fine. Because what is this? Hey, bro. Like, only one eyelash sticked on, like. What's that mirror? Hey, bro, not a link. I don't know if you guys can see it, but not. Instead of it sticking here, it's decided to stand next to the. Is it the tip or bridge of my nose, whatever that is? Only one lash stuck on sun. But it's cute, even though only one. So yeah, this is me signing out and saying ngingalile. I do not care if I do not have lashes. Marage, ngikhalela imali yami. My money is like almost an entire strip. Oh Jehovah, I'm gonna be an eyelash like one. Almost the entire strip. So it's okay, it's fine. You know, when the time is right and the Lord has agreed, I will do lashes. I don't know when. Or I'll just find someone to do them because ngizami le nto ukuthi ngizosave, but hi ngitseo ha di DIY he didn't see her. Hi, I'll just go to the salon and get my lashes done there because guys, what will I eat? Hey, ayikho zayenza. Ayikho. That is the end of a very chaotic maintenance week. A short time, but yeah, we did what we could. We did what we could. What we couldn't do, we will do at the salon some other day. Hi guys, thank you for watching.